When did you become an expert in thermonuclear astrophysics?
Last night. The packet. Subject's notes. The extraction theory papers. Am I the only one who did the reading?
Low-key needed. Get strong.
So let's take a look at pH. We talk about pH, we say it is the percent of hydrogen. And what we're talking about is if we look at water, remember water is H2O. Mickey has 2 ears and 1 head, and right now he is happy. He is happy because he is intact. He has both of his H's attached to his oxygen. But what happens if we divide one of these hydrogens off? Well, we split Mickey into 2 parts. The first part is just a hydrogen ion. The second part is an OH, otherwise known as a hydroxide ion. When we do this, Mickey becomes unhappy. Right now, when he's H2O, he is happy, meaning that he is at a point called equilibrium. This means he's stable. We like to stay stable. Remember homeostasis in the last video? We try to stay as stable as possible. If we were to put this on a scale, water would be right in the middle and be lucky number 7. So let's take a look at the other end of the scale. Depending on who made the scale, it'll either start at 0 or 1. And if you are between 0 and 6.999, you are an acid. The other end of the scale is a 14. And if you're between 7.001 and 14, you are a base. So looking at acids, some general characteristics. If you're an acid, you are sour. These are, a lot of our foods are like this. Think lemons. If you're a base, you're bitter. Not you as a person, but common bases are bitter. They're usually like soaps, bleach, some type of cleaners, stuff like that. So let's look at seeing what makes you an acid. What makes you an acid is the number of hydrogen ions that you contain. Meaning, if I draw this on a scale, the more hydrogen ions that any molecule has, that means it is more acidic. The less hydrogen ions that any molecule has, that means it's a base. For instance, hydrochloric acid has lots of hydrogens. On the other side of the spectrum, if I am a base, that means I have hydroxides. So the more hydroxides that I have, the more basic I am, meaning I have less hydrogens. Water itself is a perfect balance, right in the middle at 7. And just to reiterate one more time, again, acids are from 0 to 6.999. Bases are from 7.001 to 14. The more hydrogen ions I have, that means I am an acid. The more hydroxide ions that I have, that means I am a base. And that is an overview of acids versus bases. Please watch the other videos that I have posted for more examples.
Get strong.